Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to buy SPX6900 on Binance in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Binance website or app. Log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verifications. Then go to Wallet, Deposit, and add funds. You can deposit via bank transfer, credit card, or crypto transfer. Then open Trade section and search for SPX6900 in market pair lists. Then select Market Order or Limit Order. Enter the amount of SPX6900 you want to buy. Click Buy to complete the transaction. Then finally, go to your wallet to check your SPX6900 balance. For extra security, consider transferring your SPX6900 to a private wallet. And that's it. You have successfully bought SPX6900 on Binance. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips. Got any questions? Drop them in comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.